What's good, Wealthbuilderz? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon. Put him work. And today, we're talking about Swift. What is it, and how will it destroy Russia? Let's go.
To say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's a basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.
Okay, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel and share this video because we talk about making more money, saving more money, building a better you and business. So without further ado, let's get the topic on hand. Swift. What is it? And how will it destroy Russia? Alright, so what is Swift? Right? I know a lot of people heard of it, like people been throwing it around, and this is the first time I've heard of it, honestly, and I've been into the financial world and personal finance and banking and all that good stuff for a minute now. And this is the first time I've heard of it, but Swift was actually formed in 1973, and it is headquartered in Belgium. It is overseen by the National Bank of Belgium, in addition to the U.S. Federal Reserve System, of course, the European Central Bank, and others. Yeah, right. But it connects more than 11,000 financial institutions in more than 200 countries and the territories worldwide, so banks can be informed about transactions. Swift is said it recorded 42 million messages a day on average in 2021 and 82 million messages overall this month. That includes currency exchanges, trades, and more. So the question is, why will this destroy Russia, right? Financially, all right? But I'm glad you asked. I know you're wondering. All right, so just putting these limits on Russia from Swift would damage the country's economy right away, and in the long term, it cuts Russia off from the swath of international financial transactions. That includes international profits from oil and gas production, which makes up more than 40% of Russia's revenue. See what I'm saying? Now, you can also see it from places like Iran. Even though Iran is not much of a powerhouse as Russia is, Iran lost access to SWIFT in 2012 as part of sanctions over its nuclear program. Though many of the country's banks were reconnected to the system in 2016, Vakro told NPR that when Iran was kicked off, they lost half of their oil export revenues and 30% of their foreign trade. So if you really look at it, these sanctions can have Russia losing billions of dollars in revenue. With a financial loss like that, it can destroy your country's economy if these sanctions last for any extended period of time, which they're looking like they will for some extended point of time. They're really going to try to destroy Russia by financially crippling them. Now, will this be enough to stop the war or the takeover of Ukraine? I'm not 100% sure, but it will definitely damage Russia financially in the near future, and it will make it harder for them to wage war on any other country. Okay? Now, the next question, how will it affect who? America, right? How's it going to affect you, me, us, right? This will cause our gas prices to rise, and that's not at the pump only, right? But in the home also. So your gas bill, you will be paying that much more monthly due to the fight in the Ukraine, which sucks, but it is what it is. So even though the financial implications of SWIFT is going to have a major financial effect on Russia, the question is, will it stop the war anytime soon? Probably not. It seems like Putin Russia are pretty dead set on doing what they're doing. Okay? But this will cause more financial stress on us, honestly, more than anything. So if you're feeling like this might cause too much problems, you might want to start to become a little bit more open-minded and ready to try your hand at financial freedom, right? And check out the Wealthbuilderz System. The link is in the description below, all right? That's how you can start building some financial freedom in the near future. So, thanks for watching and subscribing. It's the man, it's the myth, the Wealthbuilder himself, signing off for Swift. What is it, and how will it destroy Russia? Do remember, Wealthbuilders, make more, save more, build more.
Say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.